This chicken pilaf tastes like my childhood, just like my grandma used to make. First, I cut the chicken breast into small cubes. You can see the size in the video. Then I dice the onion. I slice the carrot into half moons, but you can grate it or cut it any way you like. I'm using parboiled rice. It stays fluffy and doesn't stick together. I rise it 3 to 4 times until the water becomes mostly clear. I heat 2 pans, one a bit hotter for the meat and one on medium-low heat for the vegetables. I add neutral oil to both. I fry the chicken until it gets a nice golden color. In the other pan, I cook the onion until it becomes translucent, then add the carrot. Then the carrots soften, I add the chicken and cook everything together for a few more minutes. Next, I add the rice and fry everything together for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I pour in the water, cover with a lid and cook on medium-low heat for about 5 minutes. After that, I add spices to taste. You can find the full list in the description. I mix everything and cover with a lid again for another 10 minutes. At this stage, I add the garlic, mix everything and continue cooking until the rice is fully done. When the rice is ready, I turn off the heat, add dry dill, cover with a lid and let it rest for 10 minutes. And it's ready to serve. Enjoy!